Hey guys, it's Dylan from the Music Factory in Seattle. I got another lesson for you today. Go check us out at musicfactorynw.com. We got all styles for all ages, all levels, and right now we're all online. So anywhere you are, anywhere you want to be, come get some lessons from us. Thanks. Hey guys, here part 2 of our left hand technique on the bass. One thing that I notice a lot is we tend to get this death grip on the bass. These strings are heavy, you know. There's a lot of tension on these, especially the lower strings, but on bass strings there's a lot of tension, right? So these strings are really heavy, and so we try to give it this death grip. So first, what I want to give you is try and give it more of a pull motion, right? So I'm feeling, instead of relying on just the squeeze of my hand, I'm pulling the string. I'm feeling it in my shoulder, my tricep, my forearm, and I'm spreading the work out between all of those, in my back even, right? I'm pulling against the neck, right? In fact, my thumb doesn't even need to be touching the back of the neck in order to make that note play, right? I like to have it there for support, but it's not where my strength is coming from. And you'll find that if that is where your strength is coming from, your thumb's going to get really tired really fast. Your hand's going to get really tired, okay? So that's the first idea. Second idea is figuring out exactly how much pressure we need to put on the string to actually make the note, right? Because at a certain point, you're just pushing metal into flesh into bone, right? You know, and I see that a lot where we're like giving it the death grip again, as opposed to just giving it the minimum necessary force. And one way you can pinpoint that, start to find that, is you take one note, one finger, and play it live note, dead note, live note, dead note. And I'm trying to find what's the smallest movement I can make between a live note and a dead note. And then I'm going to do that with each finger. Spend some time on it. And each string. And try and find that little space between it. Then I'm showing my fingers exactly how much pressure they need to push down to make a note, or exactly how much they need to let go to stop the note, right? So again, it's just muscle memory training, going slow, taking it one little bit at a time to show your muscles exactly what you want them to be able to do. All right, see you guys next time.